Hello and welcome to this Mykademy feature tutorial video. In this video, you will learn about the overview of bundles. From the left navigation panel, click Products and select Bundles. Click on a particular bundle and you will be redirected to a different page where you can see 5 options: Overview, Settings, Learners, Reviews, and SEO settings. The overview page lists the number of courses included in the bundle. There are 4 courses included in this bundle. These 3 steps within the bundle overview will take you through the process of creating a bundle and making it public. To view the bundle as a viewer, click Preview Content. Thank you for watching this video on the overview of a bundle.